risk. Get out with your hands up.
What are you pulling me over for?
Get out of the vehicle with your hands up.
What are you pulling me over for?
Get out of the vehicle. You're being detained. You're not free to leave. Get out of the vehicle with your hands up.
What are you detained for?
28 high risk to the north of U-Haul.
High risk? I don't
She
have
is not being
anything.
compliant. Exit the vehicle with your hands up.
I don't have anything.
Exit, turn around, and walk back towards me.
I'm not being detained.
Walk back towards me. Walk back towards me.
I'm out here in the street. I'm not walking back.
Who else is in that car?
Nobody's in the car.
Get on your knees.
I'm not getting on my
Get
knees.
on your knees.
You can come to me. I'm not
Get on your knees right
I'm
now.
not getting on my knees.
Turn around then.
I'm not doing that either.
Turn around.
I'm not doing that. I'm not here to hurt you. You can't feel my energy. I'm not here to hurt you.
So what's gonna happen, because you're not being non-compliant, you're gonna get taken to the ground hard.
Why? I'm not.
Turn around and
I'm
walk
not
back
doing
towards
that.
me.
I'm not doing that. I'm gonna grab my
Keep
phone.
your hands up now.
I'm gonna grab my phone.
Turn around now.
I'm not even being aggressive.
Turn around.
Why are you doing that?
Turn around.
Why are you doing that?
Get on the ground.
Why?
On July 3rd, 2023, Federal Way Police in Washington State responded to a Costco where a customer allegedly drew a firearm on an employee during a receipt check dispute. The encounter ended in a high-risk traffic stop, a contested ground arrest, and a detective review that ultimately reshaped the criminal charges. This analysis examines 4 legal questions: the lawfulness of the seizure, the reasonableness of force, the correct charging statute, and the post-arrest review. On the seizure question, an identifiable victim's contemporaneous statement.
It was in the car.
What did she do?
She waved it in my face over here, told me to back off, came to her car.
She
proceeded to-
pointed it at your face?
She pointed it at me.
Like directly at your face?
Yeah, it was still in the holster.
Okay, what did you do after she pointed it at you?
I backed off. I called my manager.
Okay.
She came over here and let her go.
215 PC assault 2. Okay, are you willing to provide a statement and all that?
Yes.
Perfect.
So yeah, and she went over there and we saw him pull her out of the car and take her down over there. So
I'm the one that
Okay,
he was
cool.
calling,
Can I get your ID, man?
Yeah.
You got it? Okay, perfect. I just wanted someone to come over here, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, can you stick around for a second?
Yeah, no problem.
Sir, you guys have like footage of where it happened?
Should, yes.
Okay.
Say this happened right in front of this camera, so
Right in front of here?
pointing down.
Where in the parking lot was it?
Right here is when she approached me, or when she waved it in my face.
And then
so.
she loaded her car up right there in the first stall.
Where the key is?
Yeah.
Perfect.
And that's when I went over to talk to her to find out what was going on. And
Okay, okay.
Yeah, she went off on him, and I was just standing. He's got my
Okay,
ID,
perfect.
so I was just standing nearby just to protect him.
Okay.
So.
High risk. Get out with your hands up.
What are you pulling me over for?
Get out of the vehicle with your hands up.
Pulling me over for?
Get out of the vehicle. You're being detained. You're not free to leave. Get out of the vehicle with your hands up.
What are you detained for?
28 high risk to the north of
High
U-Haul.
risk? I don't
She
have
is not being
anything.
compliant. Exit the vehicle with your hands up.
I don't have anything.
Exit, turn around, and walk back towards me.
I'm not being detained.
Walk back towards me. Walk back towards me.
I'm out here in the street. I'm not walking back.
Who else is in that car?
Nobody's in the car.
Get on your knees.
I'm not getting on my
Get
knees.
on your knees.
You can come to me. I'm not
Get on your knees right now.
I'm not getting on my knees.
Turn around then.
I'm not doing that either.
Turn around.
I'm not doing that. I'm not here to hurt you. You can't feel my energy. I'm not here to hurt you.
So what's gonna happen, because you're not being non-compliant, you're gonna get taken to the ground hard.
Why? I'm not.
Turn around and
I'm
walk
not
back
doing
towards
that.
me.
I'm not doing that. I'm gonna grab my
Keep
phone.
your hands up now.
I'm gonna grab my phone.
Turn around now.
I'm not even being aggressive.
Turn around.
Why are you doing that?
Turn around.
Why are you doing that?
Get on the ground.
Why?
Bianca continued to actively resist, which caused the officer's body camera to get knocked to the ground.
On the ground.
Calm down. I'm just.
No, under arrest. Where is
Listen,
it?
I'm just standing here talking to you. Listen, look at what you're doing. I'm
Get
just
on the
standing
ground
here.
now.
Ow, my, ow, my foot.
Get on the ground. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands.
I'm sitting
Lay on
here.
your stomach.
I can't.
Do a favor for me.
I
Please back
can't.
up a little bit. Lay on your stomach.
Can't. I'm not even resisting you.
We're wrestling with one. Get on your stomach. Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. You're hurting my body. You're hurting my body.
Hey.
Why did you have to do all that when I was just standing there talking to you? That's wild.
She's slipping it.
I'm not flipping anything.
Stop fighting it. Stop trying to get your hand out of it.
Why would I do that?
Stop.
Just
Hey.
take a deep breath.
Y'all
One step
some
at a
head ass motherfuckers, yo.
Everything's being
I don't
audio
give a.
video.
I don't care about that. I don't care about that. I don't have anything on me. I don't have
She's
anything
still her
on
hands
me.
right there.
I'm hurting. I'm hurting. And you're. That hurts.
Stop
Well,
trying
then
to get
stop
your hand
pulling
out
your hand out of your
Yeah.
hand.
I was
Stop.
relaxing.
Hey.
when you first got here.
Hey.
I'm gonna be like this now because I've been tackled to the ground. I have a spinal cord injury, and I just rolled my ankle. I'm in pain.
So then relax your body for me then.
Can you stand me up then? This is ridiculous. And it's always right. It's y'all's fault. I'm racist, yo.
She got tiny.
This is unnecessary. This is unnecessary.
I got the fire department coming to check you out, okay?
I don't need nobody to come check me out.
You just
Okay,
said you
you
were hurt.
can
I don't need nobody to come check me out. I don't
Stop
trust
trying
you.
to twist.
And I don't trust anybody that hurts.
I know, well, you keep trying to take your hand out the
Yeah,
handcuffs.
I need
to turn my wrist. It's so hurting it.
listen. If you take your hands out of handcuffs, you will get tased. Do you understand me?
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Do you understand
If
what
you
I'm saying?
take your wrists out of your handcuffs,
you
will get tased.
I can't take my hands out.
You were trying. I just tightened.
I was not. I was turning my wrist.
I'm just letting you know.
You were turning it in the opposite direction.
get her
Because that's how it's supposed to be. Have you guys,
All right.
No, I don't.
I just frisked.
Please give me a second. Please give me a second, because y'all hurt my back, yo.
That's what I'm saying.
No. I'm good. Oh my God, my back. Oh my God.
Would you rather lay on your side?
No.
Or rather go into a car?
I want to get in my car and go
That's not
home.
going to happen.
No. What am I being detained for?
You're under arrest for obstruction
Obstruction of what?
of justice.
What do you mean? Were you here?
I was.
Were you here when he got here and I was just talking to him?
Did I not tell you to stop resisting?
When was I resisting?
The entire time.
No, I wasn't.
You're under
No.
arrest. You have the right to remain silent.
Oh.
You cannot afford to hire a lawyer. Won't be able to convict you.
My
You said
ankle.
any or make any statements, okay? Did you hear me? Are you refusing to acknowledge that all of a sudden you can't hear me now? Want me to read them to you again?
Oh man.
One more time. You do have the right to remain silent.
Can I stand up
Anything you
now,
say,
please?
Nope. The right
Why are
is
you
time to talk
pressing
to another
down?
lawyer.
Because I
I'm
said
reading
no.
your rights to you again.
That doesn't mean put your
can you
hands
listen
on
to
me.
your
I don't have to listen to anybody. Don't
okay,
follow
all right,
under your
that's fine.
Acknowledge that you
jurisdiction.
heard him.
Can I come in there to look at the video footage with you?
Yeah, I can stay with him.
Okay. I'm going to go in there and check the video footage with him if you want to take a statement.
Just him, yeah?
Yeah. She pointed the gun at you, correct?
Just me, yeah. He saw it in her basket, but she only pointed it at me.
Okay. Now we're standing up.
Which car?
Just put her in this one for now.
No, I didn't refuse anything.
You did.
Well, yeah, you did.
I don't have to do anything that
Here,
you
let's-
ask
actually,
or
no,
say
let's
anything
search
at
it.
all.
But we need to search her.
Go ahead.
Okay, can you face this flag?
What do you want me to do?
Face this flag.
Face the flag. Widen your stance first. Here you go.
You don't
Do you have
have to
anything
kick
in
me.
your bra?
I'm not.
Do you have
You're
anything in
being
your bra?
aggressive for
Do you have
no
anything
reason.
in your bra?
Don't touch my stones. You touch
You're
my
being searched.
stones.
I'm removing your stones. I'm not touching them.
You don't have to remove them to search
Yes,
them.
we
I
do.
do. I had to remove
You're
them.
under arrest.
You're going to be booked into jail and they won't let you have them when you go to jail.
That's crazy.
Everything will go with you though.
That's crazy. I have dogs at the house. I have dogs. I have animals. I have food in my car. For no fucking reason.
They called for a manager to the display car area out in the parking lot. I heard some screaming and shouting, and I walked over to the member loading her groceries in her car. At that point, she told me to get the F back.
For no reason. For no reason.
That I didn't bow down to her when I was approaching her, and that she knows the truth. At that point, I told her that I was there to help her, and she still told me to get the F back. And that was when she pulled out a gun and set it on top of the car. And at that point, I called the police.
We're going to bring you over to this flag, and then we're going to search it, and then we're going to go in the car, okay?
And you're hurting my wrist, and then you pulled on it again.
I know, so here's the
Why
thing.
are you doing this?
Because you're under arrest.
But that doesn't mean you have to
Hey,
physically
stop.
be aggressive.
Keep doing this though. Just,
What
just
am I
go with the
doing? I
flow.
just asked him to let go of my wrist.
And he's not going to.
But you're hurting me.
So here's the
everything in
thing. You
your
tried
bra.
to pull your hand out of your handcuffs. We can't let you
No,
do
I
that.
didn't. Why are you lying? You can't. Listen. You
Everything's
can't tell
on
me-
video.
You can't tell me what I was trying and not trying to do.
So did she shoplift or
So
no?
there's great.
No, she bought her stuff, but she was upset because she didn't want to show her receipt, which everybody at Costco,
Yeah.
from what I gather.
Yeah.
You can't tell me what I was trying and not trying to do. And then you're stepping on my toes.
All right. Hi.
Oh, I love you. I love you.
Okay, get in.
I love you. God don't like ugly. God don't like ugly.
Swing your feet in.
God don't like ugly.
Okay. Well,
God don't like ugly. Yahweh don't like ugly.
Is she holding it? No.
Right.
Oh, she's holding it.
Whoa. Where'd she save that?
No mistake.
Where did she get that? It's in a holster. It looks like it's in a holster.
But still, it doesn't matter.
Because she didn't even see. Yeah, she did like a David Copperfield.
Why in the world did she do what she did?
She's an idiot.
Man.
She should not. She just messed up her life.
I know.
We have to watch.
Just show the receipt.
I know.
If you paid for it, just show the receipt. It's literally Costco policy. When I go to Costco, I don't care.
Everybody,
There you go. It's not a big deal.
No, it's one of those things that you kind of know you have to do over there.
Yeah,
So
it's known.
Yeah.
Like, everyone leaving, literally show the receipt.
Yeah.
And half the time, they don't even really, they just like, cool.
Yeah.
Got like big ass items like 4 TVs.
Right.
Yeah,
Right.
So that's the only thing really looking out for is like small ass items.
That the subject drew a firearm satisfies probable cause under Illinois versus Gates, which treats identified citizen informants as presumptively reliable. Atwater versus Lago Vista permits custodial arrest even for minor offenses, where probable cause exists, and Pennsylvania versus Mimms authorizes officers to order occupants out of a lawfully stopped vehicle. The stop was lawful. On the use of force question, Graham versus Connor applies 3 factors: the severity of the suspected offense, the immediacy of any threat to officers, and whether the suspect is actively resisting or attempting to flee. Here, the reported offense involved a firearm, the subject's armed status was unconfirmed, and she refused multiple lawful commands. All 3 factors lean toward force. Bryan versus McPherson clarifies that passive resistance sits at the lower end of the resistance spectrum and warrants only proportionate force. A controlled takedown of a passively resistant subject suspected of armed conduct satisfies the Graham reasonableness standard. Whether de-escalation was adequately attempted is a closer question, but Graham requires only objectively reasonable performance, not optimal performance. The charging analysis is where this case turns. Washington's second-degree assault statute, RCW 9A 36.021, criminalizes assault with a deadly weapon as a Class B felony. Washington follows the common law definition, placing another in reasonable apprehension of imminent harmful contact, with no requirement of physical contact. The pivotal element is intent specifically, intent to create that apprehension. The detective's CCTV review undermines that element. The footage shows the firearm remained holstered and was not pointed at the victim. Those facts fit RCW 9.41.270 unlawful display, which prohibits exhibiting a weapon in a manner manifesting intent to intimidate or warranting alarm for others' safety. That statute is a gross misdemeanor and triggers mandatory revocation of any concealed pistol license. Resistance during cuffing is independently chargeable under RCW 9A 76.04, and obstruction is chargeable under RCW 9A 76.02 as a gross misdemeanor. Miranda compliance is also worth noting. Warnings are required only before custodial interrogation, not at the moment of arrest. The subject's spontaneous utterances remain admissible at trial under Rhode Island versus Innis. The most consequential point is the post-arrest review. The detective's independent examination of CCTV, identification of inconsistencies in the victim's statement, and recommendation to downgrade reflect Brady versus Maryland obligations in practice. Brady requires prosecutors to disclose materially exculpatory evidence to the defense. A documented contradiction between victim testimony and corroborating video is exactly that kind of evidence, and the agency acted on it rather than burying it. Now to the grades. The lead officer earns a B. The arrest was lawful, tactical positioning was sound, and Miranda was administered. Verbal de-escalation, however, was minimal. The subject earns a D. Producing a holstered firearm during a non-violent dispute violated state law, and refusing lawful commands compounded her exposure. The Federal Way Police Department earns a B+, primarily for the integrity of the detective review and the willingness to recommend a downgrade. 3 practical lessons. First, refusing a private receipt check is not a crime, but introducing a firearm into the dispute converts a civil matter into a criminal one. Second, the correct response to a perceived unlawful arrest is full compliance at the scene, followed by legal challenge in court. Resistance, even passive, never improves your legal position. It adds charges. Third, exercise your Fifth Amendment right to remain silent and request counsel early. Spontaneous statements made after arrest are admissible, and they almost always hurt. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.